Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi was in Ahmedabad today, and he was addressing the Gujarat Congress worker, where he said that so many people who are in Congress but still working for BJP, and there are so many people. He numbered it. He said that 40, like there are 40 people who need to thrown out from the party, and if needed, he will do that. How do you see this statement coming from him?
See, today's speech from Ahmedabad has been very encouraging for party karyakartas and workers like us, because he's absolutely correct. He met the ground workers yesterday. He met workers from the district, from the blocks, and I think today's speech was a result of that feedback, wherein people have told him that there are so many who are now working in tandem with the BJP, and also it's very difficult for them to function. See, it's a hostile environment. When you speak of Gujarat, you've had a BJP government for over 27 years. You have BJP karyakartas everywhere. Village to village, if you go, they harass our Congress workers. It's very difficult for Congress workers without any support from the top. When I go, I speak to a karyakarta, they said, हमें ऊपर से समर्थन नहीं मिलता है जब हमें तकलीफ आती है. So the question is that how are these people to function, because these are your workers who are bringing the voter from their homes to the booth, and they need to be given that encouragement, that support, that security also, especially when it comes to dealing with the BJP. So Rahul ji probably has got the right feedback from the ground, and also I hope that he has identified all those who are working in with the BJP and weed them out.
Also